Alright, today's video is a graphic design video. I just want to kind of introduce the video. Recently, Cutler Ridge Soccer asked me to create a flyer for their soccer club, which was going to promote the ability for them to sell t-shirts during Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and it was a fundraiser for the soccer club. So what I want to do is kind of share with you guys what it took for me to create that piece, and so the next portion of this video is going to be me showing you how I made that piece. Anyways, if you have any graphic design pieces that you'd like me to make, don't forget you can always contact me. You can write something in the description. But anyways, thanks for checking out this channel, and let me get right into this graphic design piece.
Alright, the first thing I always suggest is you want to find some sort of image as your motivation or something that you want to recreate. So I went on Google and I found this piece. It was very close. It was about Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and that was going to be the piece that I was going to try to recreate but also make completely different. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to create a 5x7 at 300 dots per inch, and then that will be printable. The first thing that you want to do in recreating this piece is you take the text and you try to recreate the text, which was a big portion of this piece. So as you can see, I'm just looking for the right font so I can kind of put it in there and resize it to kind of match. Alright, in order to help speed up this video, I sped up this video 8 times as fast as I work on the text section, as I just try to recreate the text that's there, and then I'll go to change it completely. Alright, we just finished recreating the text. Now I'm going to work on this gradient background. It goes from pink to like a light pink to a darker pink, and so right now I'm just trying to figure out how to match the colors and make the gradient similar. Alright, now I import the logo for the Cutler Ridge Soccer, and what I want to do is kind of remove the red and blue and make it more of a generic color, and that's what I'm going to start doing at this point. Okay, now we go ahead and just add a little t-shirt fundraiser to the text. Now we're going to add a quick description as a filler to describe what this flyer is about, offering t-shirts to be sold for the fundraiser. And all flyers also have a web address, so we want to direct them to the website where they can actually buy the t-shirts. Alright, after importing the pink ribbon, I want to work on the bottom section because that pink doesn't look good. I think it would look better as just being plain white. Now we got to work on the background, the drop shadow. Now I just want to fill in the text a little bit more, describing what this flyer is about. Okay, now I'm just going to move stuff around, try to get my spacing down a little bit. As you can see, sometimes the line spacing in between the text doesn't look good. I think now I'm making it more proportional with the rest of the page. Alright, now it's time to import the shirt that we're actually selling on the website. So I'm going to speed this up, but basically what I'm trying to do is outline the t-shirt so that way it's easier with no background and it can fit into the piece much better. Alright, with the socks, we're going to go ahead and take a picture of the socks on a white background so that way it's easier to extract the socks as an outline without doing a lot of work. So the main thing that you want to do is find some sort of white background. In my case, I use a white PVC board, and then that way I can take a picture of the socks. I easily do a color range, that way it makes it easier to select the socks and remove it from the background. Alright, and the last thing we want to do is import it into the flyer. We're just going to simply add the socks to the flyer, and that's it. We're pretty much done. Now this was just a quick flyer that I made. You can always enhance it by adding other features and spending more time in the editing, but I just kind of wanted to make something quick so that way we can get it out and put it online as fast as possible.